Welcome aboard Google Cloud again. So right now we're going to create bucket from the command line. So we already have, this is the command gs2 mb gs the dot slash and the variable, the name. Actually that dev shell product ID is the product ID itself. You can check on storage here, the bucket was created. We just created a media bucket. I'm going to export this variable, the Google bucket. Now we're going to change some code here on a quiz. GCP storage. All right. Let's get the bucket name. Let's import another module from Google Cloud Storage. Let's create a client for that, so the comments are here. And let's make the store get the bucket. All right. So now we're going to change this function right here. So everything here we can remove. Actually, I have the code prepared, so that's what we need. So from the bucket created by the global variable here, and you upload that to upload from string. So you're going to upload that to the bucket. So it's save it. Now we're going to change here web app questions.python. All right, so you're going to have an import here. We can leave it first, okay? Just let's save it. The function upload file we're gonna have to change. So we have already that prepared. So this is the thing we need, upload file function. Now I'm gonna change the save question. Pretty simple. Just check the image file, all right? And save it to the data store. Now I'm gonna be back here and run this guy. So let's create a question. The author. The quiz is gonna put Google Cloud Platform. Title. What product is this logo rated to? Let's check a picture. Let's see on downloads. Pics. Okay, let's couple of pictures here. Let's not put a Warsaw picture here. Let's put this picture. I gotta first answer I'm gonna put it not gonna select the second, so I'm gonna put the right thing. No storage. Engine. We could put pub sub or whatever container engine. Let's save it. You can check here. You should log. Set methods not allowed. Let's be back here. Let's check where I had the problem. There's a problem in the web app. I'm gonna rerun that. Then there's a problem in the storage. That should run perfectly. Let's rerun that back again and try. So here we are. Let's complain about this URL. Actually, it should work normally. I'm gonna rename. Actually, the file was saved. The only problem is being about the data store, but even it could be saving in data store. Let's check. So if that works, no problem about the error on the page forwarding. So our main task is done. So here we are. We saved the data, so we are fine. So I will check about this forwarding stuff. When it goes to forward and it gets an error, the redirect. But all the things I would like to show is the upload of this file. Reload it. Save, and the stuff about saving that. So no worries about that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.